Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to solve and graph some inequalities, but today we're going to do two-step inequalities. A quick refresher that when the answer is not included, when it's x is greater than or x is less than, you use an open circle to say we do not include that number. If it is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, we do go ahead and shade in that circle on the number line. So we are asked to graph 2x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 24. In order to do that, we have to solve it. So we're going to draw a line through the inequality symbol. I'm using the wrong stuff here. There we go. And this is just like solving a two-step equation. So first I'm going to look to see if I have any subtraction or addition. I do. There's a plus 4. So I will undo that by subtracting 4 from both sides. Bring down my 2x. And then that gets me 20. Now I need to solve it like it's a regular one-step inequality like we did last lesson. I'm going to divide by 2. Now I'm dividing by a positive 2, so I do not need to change my inequality. X is greater than or equal to 10. So I put that on my number line. I fill in the circle because x could be equal to 10, and then everything that's bigger. All right, number 2 tells me to graph negative b minus 2 is less than 8. So the first thing I want to do is b doesn't have a coefficient, so I'm going to write it so that b gets a coefficient. Now I'm going to draw a line through my equal sign, and I'm looking for subtraction and addition. I've got a minus 2, so let's add 2. Okay, now I've got negative 1 times b is less than 10. I'm going to undo that with division, and I am dividing by a negative, so I need to flip my inequality symbol. B is greater than negative 10. So I'm going to go to my number line, put in a negative 10, and it's not equal to, so I leave an open circle, and it's greater than, so I shade everything bigger than negative 10. Number 3 is a you-do problem, so you've got it set up, draw your line. Solve it just like you would a two-step equation, and then graph your inequality. I'm going to ask you to pause here to do your work. Come back when you're ready to check it. Welcome back. When you solve that out, you should have gotten x is less than 9. And when you graph it, that's an open circle, shading everything to the right. Remember, since we're dividing by negative 7, that flips our inequality symbol. All right, you've got 8p minus 2 is less than or equal to 14. So I'm going to ask you to pause the video here while you solve it, graph it, then come back and check. Okay, here you can see we end up with p is less than or equal to 2. So when you graph that, you do have to color in the circle on 2 and then shade everything that is less than 2. Go ahead and do your self-assessment and explain your reasoning, and then give yourself a quick reflection. What did we learn? How did we extend our learning from last lesson? What's important to remember?